Yo, how's it going, everyone? We are back with another video, and I haven't posted a lot because I haven't really had content, but I decided it was about that time to finally get another mod for the TL. Now, this has been a long time coming. I've wanted this for a while now, and I finally decided, to pull the trigger, say fuck it, and just do it. You know what I'm saying? Cause this is what I work for. This is what I like to do. So, what this video is gonna be about, as you can probably tell by the video, is finally got some coilovers. Yeah, I decided to go with the TEIN. I think that's how you believe it. TEIN, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, this just got here right now. Probably like 2 minutes ago. Really excited for it. Yeah, these are coilovers, not springs. I was thinking of going springs at first, but with research and everything, they're like, just save up and get the coilovers, because they're adjustable, and you can lower it, raise it up, to your liking. And with springs, excuse me. And with springs, they're just, you can't adjust them pretty much. So yeah, that's why I went with coilovers, and I did a lot of reviews about them. Not reviews about them, but I read a lot of reviews. But I'm very excited, very excited. All right, so the first thing you want to do when installing these, we're gonna start with the rears, cause that's the rears. From what I've heard, take a little bit more time. So first thing we gotta do is we gotta remove these back seats. Not too hard. Just hold on by a couple of bolts. Some here, some there, and then there's one up here. And after you take all of those out, you just kind of push up the seat, and they should come off. And the reason we have to do this is because there's some bolts back there that hold up the strut for the suspension that's on. So in order to access those, we have to take these off. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. And then after we're finished moving those, we'll probably lift up the car, take off the wheels, and we'll get started on removing everything. Yep. Alright, so update. What you have to do is pretty much you have to take off the can you see it, that bolt. There's a bolt up here for this, and then there's another one. These two are 14, and that one is a 17. So once you take those off, you're gonna go inside, and you're gonna take off the bolts in there. Yeah, so you're gonna take off these. You don't want to, not the middle one just yet, because that's for the fucking spring. So I think there's like 2 or 3 nuts. I'm not too sure, but those are 14. So once you take those off, you should just come off. All right, guys. So update. We ended up taking hold on, bro, I'm not explaining. So we took off the whole spring from here. We had to use a spring compressor, and yeah, pretty much compressed it. But let me come over here. Did you tighten it? Both of them? Bro? Alright, so pretty much with the bolts I showed you to take off, you're just gonna put them back on. Kind of self-explanatory. Make sure everything's tightened down and everything. Halfway done, guys. The front should be easier, and we should be finished very soon. Alright, so update for the fronts. We kind of don't know how to do them, so we're going step by step. And that's how we do it, bro. We're Mexican. Well, most of us. Come on, bro. Most of us are Mexican. Either way, we figured we have to move this bar out of the way to
hey, lift it
to get to the other bolt down there, so we can remove the strut. So that's basically what we're doing right now. Just removing this whole top piece, and then this piece should come off. It's pretty loose. For the most part, it's just 2 bolts. I don't know if you can see them. It's where that hole is, and then I think there's another one down there. And as you can see, I mean, it's pretty much loose already. It's just holding on from that single bolt up there that we're about to get off right now. As soon as we move that.
What are you stuck to? You're still stuck to
as soon as we move that,
hey, give me the
it should be good to go. So yeah. Alright. So the little trouble we're having on the other side was that whenever we were raising up this coil, it wasn't going in, and we found out it has to line up with this little gap. I don't know if you can see it that good. Oh yeah, you can. But it has to line up so the bolt can go through it good, and it can tighten up. Because if you go too up, then the bolt won't go in, and I mean, you won't be able to tighten it up. So the way we raised it up is that we put a jack on the bottom of the rotor. We raised it until we found the perfect height for it. So then after you do that, you should be able to slide it in the bolt and tighten it up. And then that should be the only difference from fronts and the rears. We're almost done. Almost done. One more. Right, guys?
Iron's stronger than steel. Hey, what's up? I'm bleeding. We working out here.
Hey, we working. Hey, blood, sweat, and tears. Yeah, we took a little break. Impact gun is on fire right now. Look at this engine bay though. It's disgusting. Damn, bro, the rears are gonna be looking hot boy. What's up?
I'm never gonna wear this shirt again.
You're bleeding, bro?
This is now my work shirt.
Dude, did you always have that hole
Oh,
in
you
your...
got something in your belly button, fool? Oh, that's a leech. You got cancer, bro.
I've had it since I was a kid, bro.
Wait, which one?
I've had it since I was a kid, bro. It's just
That means you never cleaned it.
it's like a freckle.
It's like a freckle.
No, trust me, I try to get it out, bro.
Oh, is that like a blood?
It's just like a
blood. No, it's just a freckle, bro.
Here, let me show you this side real quick. Look, one time about this bolt, we were having trouble to slide back in because that gap I was telling you. But once we figured it out, it went out smoothly. Yeah. So all we have to do now is get the other side mounted up, and we should be good to go.
Go grab it.
All right, guys. Finished review. Damn.
Hey, it won't come out.
So, God damn, about to. Damn. So I want to say we're a little too low in the front, but damn, does that hole look badass? Hell yeah.
That shit is nice.
Hell yeah. Shout out to all the homies for helping me coming through. Appreciate it. Damn. Damn. Look how low that is.
Are you recording?
Yes, sir.
Alright, so finally finished everything. And now, time to test it out. Let's see how I scrape really hard going out of this driveway. Man, lightning's all types of fuck, bro. Oh, slow down. Alright guys, so that day I forgot to, close the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. So be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave a like and comment. And thanks again to all the homies for coming out. Helping me install the coils. It was a good time. And yeah, we had a good time. That night or the next night, I was supposed to go to a car meet. I went to go wash my car and everything, but it turns out it wasn't at the location that my friend said it was. So I decided, not to include it because nothing really went down. There's no cars. So, but yeah, stay tuned to my channel. I have some more things coming up very soon. So, yep. Thanks for watching.